They were so nice.
Thank you. Oh my God.
Can I pull it? I know how. You put it through this. And you want it to... Ugh. Yeah, don't want it in there.
That's a spider in
And where?
It's not a bucket.
Who wants the milk?
Shake it out.
It's cake. Can you stop it?
Yeah. Let Chase rinse that water off first. Dump it by the tree. Go ahead. All right, let him here, try. Come on.
Move, Adonis. Adonis.
Okay.
Stop, Pierre.
No, because you're wasting it. Don't. Leave it. Come on. Adonis. Adonis. Come on.
She ate running to leaves from. You're going to. I'm about to.
Damien.
Mom, look, it's all right here. Oh, that thing's wet.
Come on, y'all. Tyler, lead the way.
Mom, see, look at my makeshift home.
Wait. I don't even think I locked that side over there. Or you think it's straight? All right.
Yeah, keep straight ahead.
Tyler leading. I don't know where he's going. You want to put his Crocs on?
Yeah.
He look like he got braces on. Take them off. Hold on. he's damaged. Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah?
Dad,
What's his name? Nicholas.
Dad,
Somebody called me, but I don't see the number in my phone. Somebody did call me from a 248 number. Was it Nicholas Sadiq? Number popped up for a second.
Get up.
Said what?
I don't see how this about to connect to it.
why are you laughing?
We should have went that way because it said fishing spot. We probably should have just went that way. And that would have took us straight to the water. I don't know where this is going.
Stop.
This a bike trail.
Hey, stop it.
Yeah, because this is a bike trail.
The view is nice though.
Yeah.
At least you see in the water. Daddy, come back here. You don't know where we going.
Be quiet.
At least that.
This is nice though.
You can't say a lot to you.
No. Yeah. No, we just should have went to the fishing spot. That's going to put us at the water.
Directly to the water.
I'll call you back. All right.
How long was this road right here? Because it's too long. Oh. I say it's set right at the end of this road.
I don't think it's too long. It's not long. It ain't long.
Mom, give it to the spot.
That's not a park. That's not a park. This whole thing is a park. That's what that means. Tyler just misread.
Whoa, he about to cut you off.
Right.
Mom, look how big this leaf
Where's
is.
Luna?
Mm-hmm.
What happened?
No, this got him in better shape.
I'm here. Come over here.
We have a bigger table.
Nice though.
Mom said this is a beach, but just with no sand. This is a beach just with no. Oh, it is sand.
Girl, then we'd be damaged. We'd be damaged as a family. I don't care. It's just a fact that if he steps into it.
They say you jump in.
I'm keeping it. Right, it's so fun.
And then we went down there. I think that's where we
Oh, let's go on this pier. Oh, I see what y'all talking about fishing right here.
That's that lake right there, ain't it? Is that the
Yeah. The one that Tyler took a picture of.
Yeah, is that it right there? That's very muddy. Yeah.
Probably algae in there. It's real messed up looking.
Oh, like it's like swamp like.
Yeah.
Swampland.
Yeah.
Look at them birds. Look at them cranes.
Cranes?
Oh, look.
Them cranes.
Those be in the zoo.
Ew, ow! Yeah, Adonis.
He mad because he turned around. Oh.
Adonis.
I like watching the when we walk outside.
Hold on. Tell my pants up. My pants falling. Pretty mad. My pants falling. Imagine riding through here in snow time. Ooh, that'd be gorgeous.
Yeah, that would be.
When it freeze,
Yeah.
the snow be freezing
Just
up on
that
it.
snow hitting these branches.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be real pretty.
We can do that in the wintertime.
I know.
Get that heat together.
I know. That's what I said. It's not just no when the weather is nice type of thing. Yeah, right. That's what I was telling Danny.
He's still close.
He look, Amir acting
Yeah,
up.
you gotta take him.
He can walk.
He's mad. Hold on, AD.
You can just tell.
What?
No, it's two forks in the road. I think we supposed to go this way. He going that way.
Oh no, yeah, it's this way. Wait, is it?
No,
Yeah,
no,
he just.
No,
Cars
it's
over there.
this way.
You sure?
Yeah, I think it's this way.
No, because when we
Because we walked past
came
that
back.
dumpster.
Yeah.
I don't know. You guys, we're starting to get lost and it's starting to get dark.
Wait, yeah.
No, we came from down there and walked past.
You guys, we're just chime back in when we find our bearings because we are lost right now. There's like a fork in the road this way and that way. We just got to figure it out, and we're starting to lose daylight, as you guys can see. So
And dogs are barking, guys.
we'll come back. We'll come back later. Hopefully, we find our campsite before it gets dark.
I want to throw it.
Try and throw it.
Then let me throw a net.
No.
Not going so far.
Hurry up. Get set.
Move, dog. Get that dog.
Louie, come here.
Tangled up.
Oh.
Boo.
Just nothing.
Stop.
You threw that out there.
Yeah.
Louis, stop
Baby
going in that
Sven.
bucket.
And the stars will be prettier. Yeah. But these stars are weak. No, I hear him crying.